Hello viewers, this is Adnan Zakar from atomservices.org. So we are introducing action learning program today for the global community who wants to start their Amazon Kindle direct publishing business. So why we are introducing this program? Because it's your business building program and it's your brand building program. What exactly we are going to provide you in this business? So we are going to provide you a complete support while creating your books, and we are providing you the graphic designing services, we are providing you ghostwriting services, we are going to provide you keyword niche research services, and we are going to provide you the publishing and marketing services as well. So many people look for niche keyword and category research, and it's very tough for them because they are not professional and they are not pro in it. So our professional team will help you to find the right niche in this program. Our team will help you to to get it written by the best ghostwriters that we have in our team. That we will be providing the content of your whole book, illustrations and the graphic covers and everything. After completing your writing and graphic work, we will be providing you the publishing services as well. We will take you to the Amazon Kindle direct publishing and let you know about the professional way of publishing. Our team will help you to enroll your book in the right categories, help you to launch your book, and help you create your author central and your brand name. So after that, our team will run your PPC ads and make it a successful journey. So this program is one of the best programs that we are selling to the international market and to the global community, because this program is budget oriented. This program has the right strategy. This program has the right professionals who have earned thousands of dollars through this business, and they know how to start it and how to keep it growing. So today we have explained it to you, and now it's your turn to join us by subscribing on atomservices.org, and you can follow me on YouTube, and you can follow my website www.publishingguru.com, and here we are available for all the services. And thank you so much for listening me. Take care.